Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a new DIY on how to install this Pruveeo dashcam. Okay, the first step I'm gonna do is find which is the best place to put the camera. I think here or here or here, but I decide this is the best place. Okay, I'm gonna clean this plastic thing with alcohol so I can use the 3M double-sided tape. To make sure it's very clean. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, always make sure it's the perfect place, and then squeeze a little bit, done. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is put this thing, insert this plastic thing inside of this, slide, and then the other one, insert, slide, done. Okay, now both things has double-sided tape and then these are in place, as you can see. Okay, the next step, I'm going to insert the memory card. Done. Okay, the next thing, remove the plastic protection right there. Okay, clean the glass with alcohol to make sure the double-sided tape stick well. Now I'm gonna connect this part, and I'm gonna remove this little plastic. Now I'm gonna put it on place. Now I'm gonna remove this part, just pull up right there so I can connect the cable. The power cable I'm gonna use to connect is gonna be the OBD2, so the camera can have power 24/7, so the parking mode is working all the time. So the camera doesn't have that cable. That cable has to be, you can buy it separate, so you can have the camera with power all the time. Inside. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, this part goes to the camera, this part goes to the OBD2. Okay, I'm gonna remove these little clips, push a little bit to remove so I can put the cable through right there. Okay, and then right back in. USB. Right there. Okay, now I'm gonna hide the cable inside the headliner, but in order to do that I have to remove this, because for this reason is to tie here and the cable is not going in easily. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to remove this part. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna insert this little plastic tool. Pops, easy, careful because it's a plastic clips. And then I'm gonna use this T20 to remove the screws. One. Two, and then pull carefully. Okay, one side and the other side use the plastic tool. Okay, down. Okay, now we have two more screws right here. Okay, I'm gonna use the same one, T20. A little, one more time, a little bit. Okay, I think that's it. This plastic cover. Okay, out. Okay, this cable I'm gonna put it through here. It's a little hard. Through there. And then right here I'm gonna put the zip tie. Okay, right here I use one zip tie to tie the cables in this frame. Then the cable is going down through here. And then disconnect under here. So this is the connection. So looks clean. Clean right here. Then the cable is clean, as you can see. There's no way the cable is high. The camera is working.